In today's video, we will be reviewing our catalog and assortment feature. I am already logged into RepSpark and have selected the brand I'd like to shop on. In a previous video, we reviewed how to buy and order from catalogs and assortments. Today, we're going to be talking about a few tips and tricks beyond just buying from an assortment. So as you see, I've clicked onto the catalog and assortment tab. And right now you see that I'm on the shared section. So these catalogs have been created by brands for buyers to use. And many of our brands create amazing catalogs to shop in. So we have reviewed this in a previous webinar. You can always go back to our YouTube page to review, but you can see that catalogs are shoppable within products and you can place an order. I'm going to use the back button and go back, and the same thing with assortments. Many brands use assortments for different collections, for different categories. Some might say, tops, best sellers, at once. And it's another great way to use a curated shopping tool. But for today, we're going to be talking about my assortments. So my assortments means that assortments that you as a buyer have created. I'm logged in as a buyer currently, and these are assortments I've created. So I've created holiday 2024, fall 2024, and so on. So I'm going to show you how to create another assortment. So I'm going to go back into the product page. And as you see, it says selected saved assortments, and you can use my wish list. You could save all products to your wish list, and wish list and assortments is essentially the same thing. Or you can use this orange plus button and create a new assortment. So I'm going to call this assortment Spring 2024. And as you know, every brand is different. This brand is asking me a few questions, but some brands don't. So I'm going to set this Spring 24 assortment as my default and click Save. So now you see it says down here, Spring 2024 assortment. And all you do to add your products to an assortment is use the star. And please note, the items will be viewed in the order that you select the star. So I'm going to add this product, and as you see, all of these products are added to my assortment. You can filter, you can use any tool on the sidebar when you are selecting products to your assortment. But for today, let's go ahead and look into that assortment. So I'm going to go back into the catalog and assortment tab, click my assortments, and view. So Spring 2024. There's a few things you can do in the three buttons right here. You can set a cover. I'm going to use this one right here. And you can also set permissions of who will be able to view on your team. You could designate this by email, by role, and right now I'm going to leave this private. So I am going to go ahead and click into my assortment and see what it looks like. So from here, a great feature we have is you could download as a PDF or an Excel, and you can also contact your rep by clicking this button and send your rep a message. You could, as we discussed in the last video, shop from this assortment, or you could just save it for later. There's a few other things that people had asked about in previous webinars, and that is in the display option button right here. So I'm going to click display option and I can hide certain things. So let's say I want to hide the wholesale price and apply. And I didn't save, so let's apply and save changes. And now the retail price is being shown. We had a buyer ask if you could hide retail prices, and I'm assuming maybe she wanted to show one of her club members an assortment. You can also use this feature right here, the embed code, and copy the link. Make sure you check your permissions, and then email this out to anyone you like on your team or maybe a member. But this is a great tool to use for shopping, for curating different buys, and you can access this. I'm going to use the back button. If I do click home, I just go back to the main screen of the brand I was shopping, but I'm going to click the back button. And as you see, the My Assortments are right here. So spring 2024. Be sure to look at brands' catalogs and assortment tabs. They are very helpful and productive tools. Thank you.